Hello, everyone, and welcome to Hello Word. I'm your host, Alex, and I'm thrilled to have you join me today as we delve into another fascinating English word. Today's word is concentration. What does it mean? How do we use it? Let's find out. Concentration, as a noun, refers to focused attention. It's the ability to direct all your thoughts and efforts towards a single thing. Think about it as mental effort directed towards a particular task. It's when you're really locked in, not easily distracted. You need concentration to study effectively, to drive safely, or even to enjoy a good book without your mind wandering. You might say, I need complete concentration to finish this report by 5 p.m. Now, let's explore some synonyms for concentration. One useful synonym is focus. For example, the team needs to maintain focus to win the game. Another synonym is attention. Consider this. The teacher demanded the students' attention during the lesson. Another strong synonym for concentration is absorption. We can say, she worked with complete absorption, oblivious to the noise around her. Another applicable synonym is engrossment. We could say, his engrossment in the game was total. He didn't hear me call him. Finally, let's look at deliberation, which means careful consideration. For example, after much deliberation, the committee reached a decision. Now, let's flip the coin and look at some antonyms for concentration. The most obvious one is distraction. For instance, the loud music was a major distraction during my study session. Another antonym is inattention. You might say, his inattention to detail led to several errors. Another opposing word is apathy, meaning a lack of interest or enthusiasm. For example, the voters' apathy toward politics is a problem for democracy. Another antonym could be negligence, meaning carelessness or a lack of attention. We could say, the company was found guilty of negligence after the accident. Finally, we have indifference, which is a lack of concern or interest. For instance, his indifference to the suffering of others was shocking. Now, how can you use concentration in everyday life? Well, you can talk about improving your concentration skills. I'm trying to improve my concentration by practicing mindfulness. You can also talk about situations that require concentration. Driving in heavy traffic requires a lot of concentration. Or you could describe someone's ability to concentrate. She has an amazing ability to concentrate for long periods. Here are some more usage examples. The surgeon needed intense concentration during the operation. It takes years of concentration to master a musical instrument. The athlete's concentration was unwavering as he approached the finish line. I find it hard to concentrate when there's so much noise. The lack of concentration among the students was evident in their poor test scores. Deep concentration is a vital skill for success in many fields. Maintaining concentration during a long meeting can be challenging. Proper nutrition can contribute to better concentration. Regular exercise can also improve your concentration levels. His brow furrowed in concentration as he solved the puzzle. The artist painted with fierce concentration, capturing every detail. She meditated to improve her concentration and focus her mind. They broke the silence to break my concentration. They need more concentration. That requires great concentration. I must try to pull myself together and concentrate on getting things done. You only need concentration. This exercise takes concentration. Too much sugar causes a lack of concentration. Lack of sleep affected his ability to concentrate. Find a quiet place to work where you won't be interrupted, so you can concentrate. He looked at the chessboard in deep concentration. So, to recap, concentration means focused attention. We explored synonyms like focus, attention, absorption, engrossment, and deliberation, and antonyms like distraction, inattention, apathy, negligence, and indifference. We also looked at various ways you can use concentration in everyday conversation and in sentences. Thank you for joining me on Hello Word today. I hope you found this episode helpful and informative. Now, before you go, I have a small request. If you enjoyed this episode, please subscribe to the podcast and leave us a review. Your support helps others discover Hello Word and learn new English vocabulary. Finally, I encourage you to create your own sentence using the word concentration and share it as a comment under the video. I look forward to seeing your examples. Until next time, keep practicing and keep learning.